I used to be so intimidated by having to do anything that has to do with graphic design, since that's certainly not one of my specialties, but I have to say that I have grown to love playing with graphics and doing things for our company. So open up PowerPoint, and the first thing you're going to do is insert the picture file that you're going to use to create your graphics. So I'm going to go to Insert Pictures. You'll browse to wherever your image is. I'm going to play with our ProSolutions logo. Let's take a look. I feel like this logo is too big for what I'm going to be creating. So you can resize the image one of two ways. By selecting the image, your toolbar should automatically default to going to the Format tab of Microsoft PowerPoint. And up here you can change the size. You can decrease and it does it proportionally, or you can increase. You can also change the size of your image by using your mouse and the arrows, and it does the same thing. Pretty simple. So let's say I have it where I want it now, and I want to make some effects. PowerPoint has some really great picture effects. One of my favorites to use is the borders. You can go up here. Oh, and if you find that you're no longer looking at the Format tab or the toolbar, just reselect your image, pop back up, or you can select it here. You can do blurred edges, can do mirrors, can do all sorts of fun things. You can do shadow effects, reflections, glow edges, beveled 3D rotations. My very favorite is always the shadows, and because let me take off that picture border. Let's say no outline. And right now it has a subtle shadow. The great thing about shadows is it really makes your images pop off the page, gives them a little bit of a 3D effect. So I highly recommend using those.